aspects of it was written by me. And this is where the role of the dietitian comes, as we will see later. But we will need to see why are we looking at this sustainable diet. And it has been shown that, that crisis of chronic disease, environment collapse, and social inequality are intricately linked, and the threat that is food. So all these things we are talking about, food is important. We must eat food to survive. But this same food is also causing other issues, and that is what we are trying to look at and see how we can circumvent these problems. So what we eat does not just shape our personal health. It ripples outward to influence the vitality of communities, the stability of the ecosystem, and the future of our planets. The environmental impacts of current food production and consumption patterns are substantial, threatening the future and availability of natural resources such as land, water, and soil. Next slide. And then we notice that we have a changing pattern. We're talking about the nutrition transition. Nutrition transition where people have moved from the traditional minimally processed foods and are now eating highly processed foods. This is the nutrition, part of the nutrition transition. And some of our economists are into it. It's having its own impact on all of us. And we know that the nutrition transition is also fueled driven by technological development, is fueled by industrialization, by urbanization, and the type of work we do. You see people, you just pick something and just throw it in the mouth. You are not checking. All you want to do is just to eat. So our feeding pattern. In fact, there was a day some people will come to give them a talk of mindful eating. And it dawned on me that most of us, we don't practice that mindful eating because we just eat to fill the stomach, not thinking this thing I'm eating, what is it going to do? And then as we are talking about sustainable or eco-sustainability, we are not thinking how is it affecting the environment in which we are. So the Lancet Commission has some recommendations, and globally it has been seen that most of the recommendations in terms of fruit consumption, vegetable consumption, that is this high quality foods, are below recommendations.
My husband said that it's very important because that's our level that even even come out.
So next slide.
So the one that is need to
because of the environmental problems we have, we need to know what is the relationship between the environment and health. So food production stands as a major driver of greenhouse emissions. And it leads to the deforestation, water depletion, and biodiversity loss.